Welcome back again to another video. It is another beautiful day to thank God. One Africa, one love, one nation. It is your African boy bringing you African success stories. And if you like our content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. The construction of the stadium has continued to advance steadily, with major milestones achieved across several core components. As of the latest update, the project is entering its final phases, with structural work nearly complete and key installations well underway. The pace of development reflects efficient planning and execution, allowing for smooth integration of architectural and mechanical systems. Overall progress on site has reached over 80% completion. The foundation and superstructure were finalized ahead of schedule, enabling the focus on shift towards interior outfitting, utility integration, and feature-specific installations. Electrical, plumbing, and HVAC systems are being installed in parallel with cosmetic finishes and seating work. The external facade is largely complete, giving the stadium its iconic visual identity. With all major cranes demobilized, the project has moved firmly into its fit out and commissioning phase. One of the most striking architectural features of the stadium is its sweeping canopy, designed for both aesthetic impact and functional performance. The canopy offers protection from the elements while enhancing acoustic quality and airflow. Installation of the canopy began with the assembly of prefabricated steel trusses and tension cables. These components were hoisted into place using specialized lifting equipment, ensuring minimal disruption to other ongoing work. The installation team worked in phases, moving clockwise around the stadium, completing a section each week to maintain safety and consistency. The stadium will accommodate over 20,000 spectators, and the installation of seats is progressing in accordance with tiered priorities. Seating began in the lower bowl, with crews working row by row, affixing seats to pre-installed anchors. Mid-tier and upper-level seating followed shortly after. The roof installation is one of the final major construction elements and serves as both an engineering centerpiece and a sustainability feature. The roof is a hybrid structure combining steel support anchors with lightweight tensile fabric and solar panels. Assembly began with primary steel components, which were lifted into place using temporary towers and bolted together using precision-fitted joints. Final roof sealing and inspections are ongoing, with full completion expected within weeks.